Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you what is broadcast list in WhatsApp. Friends, with broadcast list feature in WhatsApp, you can send a message to all or multiple contacts at once. Your message will go to each person as private chat like you send messages directly. You just need to once make a broadcast list by adding all contacts on which you need to send messages, and your message will be delivered to all the members of the list. You can send again and again different messages on your broadcast list very easily. But to avoid spamming and misuse of broadcast list feature, only those members will receive send messages which had saved your number in their mobile contacts. So with the help of broadcast list you can very easily send messages to your mobile contacts. So to make a broadcast list, you need to press on these three dots on the right side corner of the screen. Now here press on new broadcast list. Now here you need to select the members to whom you want to send messages. Friends, I have selected 4 contacts, but you can select up to 256 contacts. After selecting your contacts, press on tick. Now friends, as you can see, we have created a broadcast list. Now I will send a message in this broadcast list. Now to see the status of this message, I will long press on this message and press on these three dots and press on info. Now friends, here you will find all the details of your send message. So friends, like this you can very easily send messages in WhatsApp using broadcast list feature. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.